Architecture is not just about bricks and mortar. It's a symbol of our identity, a window into our past, and a legacy for future generations. Conserving architectural heritage is crucial for educating future generations about their identity and cultural history. Architectural heritage conservation is about preserving the physical and cultural legacy of our past. It's important because it allows us to connect with our roots, understand our history, and pass on our cultural values to future generations. Not only does heritage preservation serve to educate future generations, but it also has a positive impact on the economy and tourism industry. According to Oxford Economics and the UK Heritage Fund, heritage tourism alone accounted for a £20 billion gross value added contribution to the GDP and contributed to over 386,000 jobs in the UK in 2015. To conserve architectural heritage is to preserve nations' identities. These historical marvels tell a story of tradition, culture, and values. They shape our sense of identity by providing a tangible link to the past, and they deserve our unwavering attention and a sustainable method of conservation. Join us in IRIC's 7th edition of the International Conservation of Architectural Heritage Conference, taking place on the 12th of September at the University of Portsmouth, UK, where we will discuss the importance of architectural heritage conservation and sustainable methods of preserving nations' built heritage. Contact us to have a chance for your paper to be published by Springer in the Scopus Indexed ASTI book series, or the Scopus Indexed Journal of Built Heritage, hosted on SpringerOpen.